When we talk about retirement portfolios, we usually discuss 401ks, Roth IRAs, and real estate. But for a growing number of Americans trading the city commute for a slice of country acreage, the smartest investment isn't found on the stock market, it's parked in the barn. We're looking at why the John Deere 1025R subcompact utility tractor has become the unofficial vehicle of the modern American retirement. It is a machine that promises not just property management, but physical preservation and financial stability. Let's start with the physical return on investment. As we age, the spirit remains willing, but the back becomes less forgiving. The 1025R is widely regarded as the ultimate back saver. We spoke to owners who say this machine bridges the gap between manual labor and mechanized ease. With a hydrostatic transmission, operating this tractor is as simple as driving a golf car, press a pedal to go, lift to stop. There are no gears to grind and no clutches to wrestle. But the real game changer is the loader. The H120 or 120R loader capability transforms tasks that used to take 3 days of wheelbarrow labor into a 20-minute job. Moving mulch, gravel, or snow becomes effortless. For a retiree, this means maintaining independence. It means not having to hire a landscaping crew every time a tree falls or the driveway needs grading. It keeps you active without risking injury. Under the hood, the 1025R runs on the Yanmar 3-cylinder diesel engine. It puts out roughly 25 horsepower. Why does that number matter? Because it sits right under the EPA's Tier 4 strict emission regulations, meaning it doesn't require complex diesel exhaust fluid systems or particulate filters. It is a sweet spot of power and simplicity. You heard that right. You don't drag the deck under the tractor. You drive over it. A click, a lock, and you're mowing. For an operator in their 60s or 70s, avoiding the need to crawl on the concrete floor to attach implements is a major selling point. It creates a user experience that encourages you to actually use the machine rather than dreading the setup. Now, let's talk money. We call this a retirement investment because unlike luxury cars which depreciate the moment they leave the lot, diesel tractors, specifically those with green paint, hold their value incredibly well. The used market for subcompact tractors in the U.S. is fierce. A well-maintained 1025R can retain 70 to 80% of its value even after 5 years of use. It is a liquid asset. It is also the Swiss Army knife of property ownership. With a Category 1 3-point hitch and a rear PTO, this machine transforms. It is a snowblower in January. It is a tiller in April. It is a mower in July. It is a post-hole digger in October. Instead of buying 5 different specialized engines that require 5 different maintenance schedules, you are maintaining one reliable diesel engine. Finally, there is the grandpa factor. For many, the 1025R isn't just a tool, it's a centerpiece for family interaction. Giving the grandkids a hayride, building a treehouse using the loader as a scaffold, or teaching the next generation the value of land stewardship. Retirement is about reclaiming your time. The John Deere 1025R buys you time. It takes the work out of yard work and replaces it with seat time, a therapeutic, productive, and financially sound way to spend your golden years. It's big enough to do the job, small enough to fit in the garage, and built to last a lifetime. For the American retiree, the 1025R isn't just a tractor, it's the key to staying the master of your own domain. Reporting on the best tools for modern living, this is your Consumer Watch.